How to return Shein items. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. Launch your Shein application and make sure that it is up to date. Log into your account. Now to return your Shein item, select the Me option at the bottom of your screen or select the person icon. On the My Orders, select Return. Now from here, you have to select an item that you want to return. When you select an item, you will see Reason for Return. Just tap on it, then select a reason for the return of the item. You can also upload photos regarding the issue with the purchase. Once you are done, select Next Step at the bottom. In here, you have to select your refund method. You can select original payment account or any other account that is currently active or you are using. Select your return method as post office or courier, then tap on Submit. Now once you are done, you'll have to ship them the returned item. Once they have successfully received your package, they will notify that your package has been received. Please note that you will only be able to return an item within the 35 days of the purchase, and you will get your refund within the 7 days of the package being received. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.